It's just the best tool because of the ability to drill down into the information, and it's readily available and it's quick. I realized we needed a change when our financial reporting wasn't providing the information to our board of directors. Our current system that we were using was not flexible. The structure was very clunky, not very forward thinking, and not reliable. Basically, I didn't like the way the data was coming out, and writing reports was really difficult, not user friendly, basically. So, needed a change, needed something that was a little bit more user friendly and had the flexibility to change with the time. So right now we're using it for budgeting purposes and for just reporting our financial package to the board of directors. We need information based on attendance, per cap, and to help us, make decisions on whether to raise prices, change our hours depending on, what type of holiday or events are going on in the area of the parks. Oh, the best part about Jedox reports is the drill down feature where the previous system we were using, you had to run a different report. You couldn't just click on the dollar amount and it drills into another. It drills into the information. Currently using it to project our attendance for the next year, maybe 2 years out. And we're getting into the point where we're going to be doing the per cap. So it's going to be a great tool to actually show us our best case, worst case scenario as far as the amount of people that are going to come in for, our season pass redemptions, our just a basic attendance for our FECs and our water parks.